Now here's a people pleaser. This is just a good looking car. It's a 1972 Dodge Challenger Rallye. The Rallye replaced the RT for 1972. Has a VIN number matched 340 motor, pistol grip 4-speed sitting between the bucket seats, painted Prowler Purple with the white. It's a good looker. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find price tags on about 200 classic cars, all for sale. And each one will have a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So the Rallye would have the RT power bulge hood, they called it, raised hood with the fake little scoops here. They're painted silver, got the racing pins. This one has the fender mounted turn signals. And it is straight. I did notice there's a little dent right here. There's no scratch in the paint, so our dent guy can take that out. The hood lines up really nice and square and flush. This all fits very nicely. All nice, clean door. Shuts real nice. No bumps under the vinyl roof. You know, as far as rust goes, that's all nice. Quarter panels, real nice. Car's really straight. I'm going to tell you that the body is really clean and straight. That's what I'm looking at now. Few imperfections in the paint we'll talk about in a minute. All nice, clean. Look how the bumper notched right into the fender, or quarter panel, I should say. All this is nice and clean. Doors line up beautifully. They shut real nice. All clean along the rocker. Body is excellent. The Prowler Purple is just sharp, and I do have the formula, the exact formula if you ever needed to do some touch-up work. So it's very pleasing to look at. It's like a piece of wet candy. The metal flake is laid out real nice. Does have a few imperfections. Let's see if I can find them again. Everything up here looks great. Fender's looking great. New correct antenna. Looks like the windshield is very clear. I'm going to say that was replaced. Chrome racing mirrors, those have been replaced. Stone chips at the bottom, a lot of little speckled stone chips. And then the bottom of the door here, there's a line here. I don't know if it's that protective film, but from here down there's like a line. I think that's that protective film. They should have used it here too. The door is a little lighter color than the quarter panel. There is, right on this edge, they either buffed too hard, probably that's what they did, and it's been touched up a little bit. But this is all looking good. Got the nice chrome pop-up gas cap. All this paint's looking really sharp. The back bumper has been re-chromed, has the correct square tips coming out through the valance. The rear panel painted up real nice. All this paint looks really sharp. This is all looking real good. A few little stone chips down there. And some stone chips down here. It's got little stone chips way down at the bottom. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's worth mentioning again. I love that white strobe stripe, they call it. The white vinyl top. Honestly, if you re-dyed it, it would look like new. There's no problems with the top. It's a little dingy. It's not brand new white. A paint shop or an upholstery shop can easily dye that and look brand new. The front bumper, been re-chromed. Overall, this is painted and shiny, and all this looks really good up here. Now let's open it up. I got more to show you. All right, let's see what it looks like inside the trunk. More purple. Under the trunk lid, the jamb is purple. Matter of fact, the entire inside of the trunk compartment's purple. It looks to be really solid metal. There's a Rallye wheel for a spare with a good tire. And the jack assembly is right there where it's supposed to be. There's the rubber mat. The weather strip has been replaced. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Door jambs are painted real nice. Weather strips are replaced and fit real nice. Door panels appear to be in really good condition. Couple little nicks in them, but overall very good. This is a new dash pad. It's a nice one. This is not a glue-on cap. This is an all-new, professionally built dash pad. The whole Rallye instrument panel, I'm going to guess, was restored because this is all way too nice to be original. Full set of gauges, tachometer, gauges, and a working clock. It's the factory AM radio, and then they did throw in an FM converter over here. You click the button and that will play through your stereo, assuming it's working. There's an inspection sheet. We go through the cars, inspect them. This will go with it. Down on the floor, you got nice mats, new carpet. But right here, this is the key to it all. It looks original. It's got a little wear on it, but that pistol grip, that's just the coolest shifter handle of all time. The seats are reupholstered and it fits really nice and plump. Back of the seat's real nice. Has the seat belts. Rear seat's probably original. It's very good, but there's like a little split here. Side panels and rear shelf look to be in great shape. The headliner's excellent. Shoulder belts are looking, well, they're there. They're complete with shoulder belts. Visors look good. Mirror looks real nice. Steering wheel's not worn. It's in good shape. So yeah, pretty nice interior. Dash is mint. Seats really nice. It's got a pistol grip. .340 was the biggest motor that they offered in 1972. So this is their muscle car of that year. It's all stock, all the manifolds, the air cleaner, even the heat riser tube off the air cleaner, vacuum lines, all hooked up. It seems to run real nice and smooth. The engine bay is all painted purple. Plug wires are run neatly. Looks like a new alternator. The shroud, the fan, the radiator, all look proper. Battery has a disconnect. Fender tag that'll be decoded on our website. Does have power brakes. Now Michael gets the fun job of taking you for a drive. Oh, it does have power steering down there. I didn't see that last time I opened the hood. Power steering and brakes. And again, Michael's going to take you for a drive. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, we got a beautiful 1972 Dodge Challenger Rallye. This is a 340 car with a 4-speed manual, and it has the pistol grip shifter, which just feels great. This originally was a 3-speed car that is included with the sale. I'm sure Jay's going to tell you guys, but yeah, this car just went through our shop. And here's the inspection report. The only thing that failed on the entire inspection report is that the radio didn't work. So this is a really dialed in car. I'm sitting here looking at the gauges, speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, charging gauge. Everything's working the right way, including the original clock there. So this is a really nice, well put together car. It's handling the bumps really nice and smooth back there. It does have power steering and power brakes, and yeah, it just feels great. Seats are nice and comfortable. They have been reupholstered. Really cool car. We'll give her a spin right here. Oh, I did want to mention the clutch feels great. It's a pretty light clutch, and it's just got a great feel to it. Let's see what she's got. just like that, up to speed, no problem. I'll tell you what a great running car. Just did a little 340s, more than enough power for this. Tracking down the road real nicely, handling the bumps with ease. Yeah, I like it. Great car. Don't forget, if you want to test drive it yourself, you are more than welcome to come out to beautiful Volo, Illinois. We're about an hour drive outside of Chicago and about 35-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. So yeah, you're more than free to come down here, inspect it yourself, put it up on a lift, take it for a test drive, whatever you feel appropriate. It's a lot of fun. If you don't have time for all that and you just want to get it delivered to your doorstep, by all means, you can just go ahead and hire a third-party inspector and yeah, just get it delivered. But my impression is, great car overall, really well put together, dialed in nice. Check it out on volocars.com.
It's claimed to have been on a rotisserie, where they flipped the car upside down, and it actually looks that way. I forgot to mention that. But the whole bottom of the car is real clean metal, and it's all painted the Prowler Purple. And it looks like all the components were removed when it was restored. So they put it back together with an all-new front end, all rebuilt. It's all clean, fresh, bushings, shocks, all looks fresh. Rear suspension, same thing. It all looks fresh and new. They've added coil-over shocks in back and a sway bar. Disc brakes in front, those even look fresh. E-brake is hooked up. It's got a nice dual exhaust going all the way up the back. You look up at the motor, it looks like a fresh motor. It's all painted real nice. The freeze plugs are silver. It just looks nice and fresh. Flywheel cover looks new. It's an 833 4-speed transmission, 8 3/4 rear end. So just an overall very nice. Everything looks like it was redone under the car at the time of restoration. So what you've got here is a good looking, I called it the purple people pleaser. It's just a good looking car. 340 with a pistol grip, just gonna be fun to drive. Not a lot of money either. With the monthly payments we have, this is very affordable. A good looking muscle car you can drive and enjoy. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.